Hi everyone, welcome to West Coast Muscle Saws. We're looking at two brothers here. We're looking at a MS201. It's got that custom exhaust. It's got some engine work done to it. And an MS150 with that custom exhaust. Engine work done to it. Got some silver race chain going for the 201. And I'll fire those up before we disable them. Those will be used as a mantle saw, not to be used for any type of wood cutting. Any questions on these? There's the information. 541-863-5387. Just ask for the chainsaw guy.